Good morning, YouTube. We are on day 3 of the driving portion of our trip. It's not day 3 of the trip, but day 3 of the driving portion. So today we're on our way to Arizona. So we're gonna head from Salt Lake City to Scottsdale. We're doing it in one shot. I think it'll take about 10 hours or something like that. We haven't really looked at the map very well, but we got our Starbucks. Hey, little model page. Got our Starbucks.
I'm sleepy.
She's sleepy, so don't judge. I'm sleepy. Please judge. I need to try and be awake. Yeah, so we're on the road, and hopefully it's a smooth, easy day. Weather looks good. Gonna head down through Flagstaff, Sedona, and yeah, hoping for a fun, nice cruise. All right, we got a few issues going on right now, and I'm going to show you what they are. All right, the first issue we got is there's a parking brake failure. So the parking brake doesn't work right now. Next one is we have a gas light on, so we're almost out of gas. And the third one is that snowflake. And that snowflake, little interesting thing going on right here. Utah has given us snow. So we got a sudden turn of events here. It is snowing in Utah, so we got the 750 Lambo in the Utah snow.
750 Lambo in the Utah snow.
This is what we wanted, and we got it. I hope the roads are okay, because I do have summer tires, but it's all good. There she is, the Snowghini in all her glory. All right, we stopped for lunch, and what do we get, Boo?
Subway.
Because we always eat fresh on the road. And little model page said, I'm no fun.
She's a no fun Nancy today.
No fun Nancy, because I don't want to sit and eat in the restaurant. I want to eat in the car, because we got to try and get to Scottsdale. We went
all these rules, rule maker.
Yeah, we went through the snow. We went through it's currently raining right now. And I just want to get to the sunshine and heat, because I'm sick of wearing sweaters and pants. I just want to sit by a pool and relax. So we got to hit the road. So we're about to hit 52,000 kilometers. We're in Utah right now, and we're also at the border to Arizona. So couple milestones on the trip right here. There it is, 52,000 kilometers on the SV, and it's absolutely beautiful outside. Look at those mountains. Just views on views, right, little model page?
Oh yes.
Oh yes. Look at that semi, just beautiful.
This van.
Oh, I like that semi. That one's really pretty. You know what? That one takes the cake. No cheesecake for you, Boo.
I know. Oh, I forgot my cheesecake in Salt Lake City.
I guess we'll have to find another cheesecake factory. Well, we just crossed over the border. We're now in Arizona. Red Rock Canyon.
Page!
Almost at Page, Arizona. Little model Page is excited to get to Page. We're not staying in Page.
They're just missing eye.
This is the big mountain that they got here, and I think this is their only ski hill, to be honest. But it's pretty cool that Arizona actually has a ski hill, so people can go skiing up here. So northern Arizona has got a forest up here, kind of like British Columbia. It's pretty cool. Cactus. Don't be frustrated, boo. There's cactus out there.
Bunch of pricks.
Bunch of pricks?
Guys, in Phoenix, why doesn't anyone know how to use a slow lane? Oh, wait. Seriously. Make me crazy. You're not even going the speed limit.
It's full of traffic.
Well, be full of it on the other side.
So we're going to the right.
Now keep left.
Well, that's a wrap for today. We made it to our place in Scottsdale. How was it, boo?
We survived the drive.
We made it. So now we get to sit back, relax, enjoy the sunshine that Scottsdale has to offer. We got a pool. We get to relax. That was a lot of driving. So don't worry, we'll make some more fun stuff while we're here, but that's it for now. Peace. Well, we're in sunny Scottsdale, and we got a sudden turn of events here. The Aventador seat motor just fried itself, so we had crazy amount of smoke coming out of the car, and it absolutely reeks. It smells disgusting. So it looks like we gotta go to the Lamborghini dealership and drop the car off. It's sad because we wanted to do so much when we were here, but now we can't. That's my sad face. Oh God, it stinks. Burnt wires. So you guys saw the smoke coming up from down here. What I've been able to figure out is pushing the seat forward is that right there. I think that wire, that wiring harness, the loom, got caught on the motor track and pulled itself out and somehow fried itself. So now the seat doesn't work, and let's hope that it is drivable and I can make it to the dealer and the car does not catch on fire. That's what we hope for, or else this is the last you'll see of Evil SV. Well, I'm sure you'd see it up in flames, but oh, my poor girl. Oh shit, this is not good. She is now smoking again. Ugh. Yeah, she is fried. Oh, this is not good. I hope it stops. All right, my dealer back at home just told me to pull over right away. We gotta pull a fuse so we don't cause any more harm, so that's what we're gonna do. All right. Pulled the panel for the fuse panel down below, and we're gonna pull out the fuse that the dealer tells me. I gotta find it on my phone, so just a minute. All right, so I was able to pull both the fuses for the passenger and driver seat. They're right up top there. So we should be good to go. No more harm. It's always handy that Lambo gives you a toolkit for these kinds of situations.
So I look really good right now. I was having a pool day, but wanted to get a sandwich and lit the car on fire. But we just found out that we cannot switch the passenger
Side
wiring harness from this seat to the driver's one. So it's a different part number altogether, which means who knows how long we might be stuck in Phoenix for.
With no car.
With no car, but I mean, it smells like crap.
Yeah,
Anyway,
how disgusting does it smell in here right now?
it's so gross. Ryan's in the hot seat, literally.
Do you think the dealer will loan us an Urus or something like that, as we can just practice being parents with an Urus?
I mean, I've got the bump to prove it. We do need to practice. Find out.
All right, we made it to Lamborghini Scottsdale Service Center right there. Got the Aventador. She made it safe. Didn't catch on fire, so we'll see if they can fix it. I sure hope so, because we'd like to go driving around and do some filming, but we'll see. Since I'm here, I might as well check out some cars. So, Huracan galore. Huracan, oh, that's an Evo. You can tell by the little front bumper. Evo. Sick interior. And they got a gold SVJ. That is pretty rad. Check out the side of that. My favorite part about the SVJ is the wing. The wing is just so rad. Love that. Got the ALA. Little vents in there. Actually, no, this one doesn't have vents. It probably does somewhere. Oh yeah, they're there. Right under there's the vents. And then interior, pretty much exactly the same as my car, but I think it's got Apple Play now. Oh my gosh, is that little model page?
Hey, guess what, guys? I actually woke up like this.
That's what she really looks like. There's another Huracan. Nice little dealer they got here. And then over in this room, you can customize your car. So they got a bunch of cleaning kits and stuff like that. And then all the colors. Do you guys know what color I'd pick? There's my color combo right there. And you can pick your tire or your rims, all the different paints. Ooh, this is interesting. Don't know what all that stuff is. Hey, you can see me. Hi guys. Hey YouTube. Little, oh, it's not a coffee bar. Oh, that's too bad. My favorite store. This is pretty cool right here. A little custom model. If anyone knows what this is, put it in the links below. Tell me, what is this thing? It's pretty cool. Just gotta say thank you so much to the dealership. This is Cade's third week on the job?
Yes, third week.
Third week on the job, and he's already met DDE, and then now he's got the pleasure of driving little model page home, and me, I guess. But yeah, he was great. So great service, Penske. You guys did a great job hiring this guy, and he's got a bull on the shirt.
Yeah.
Look at that. He's official, he's legit. So and he's also a RyFips fan. He watches the vlog, so he's gonna be in the vlog. So thank you so much, buddy.
No problem.
See you soon. There's our little Benzo. Cade is driving that back to the dealership. You did a great job. 2 thumbs up, boo. 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. There we go. Bye, Cade. Hey, boo, what do you say?
Don't forget to tap that.
Wait, show it again.
Tap that.
There we go.
Subscribe button.
Later, guys.
We're going to get Donovan because I suck at using this gimbal.
Are you a little gimbaled?
Gimbaling.
She's a little gimbaled. Gibbled with her gimbal skills. Usually they get better with practice, but this is me, by the way, Donovan.
Yeah.
As you can see, they're pretty pathetic too. All right, made it to Lamborghini Vancouver, Scotts. Take two.